Big up Crosses TV.
I have to turn on my TV to put Cross's TV.
Social media is here and now again. The dolls.
Girl is going to lose them blood clot to life. Run things them no war now going and girl have devious things. This I look for girl and this and that I don't want dead. Yeah, I run from Jamaica cause Chanel and Peach is dead. I'm a willing up. Remember Peach is dead right in my hand. My sit down right I saw my son day at the party. My day at the party I may enjoy myself. I may tell you say everything I run through me. I'm just have some vision. Oh, Peach is dead. I might just have vision. Oh, blood clot. Peach is dead. I'm gonna go to the door. I'm gonna see Aisha and them. I'm going to tell you I'm going to see Aisha and them and I know when I look at Aisha and them right there, I know them not look at me and me stand up and I saw Pinky call me and me I talk to Pinky. Pinky call me and me I talk to Pinky and Pinky did and Pinky I talk to me and the things my literally when I look at my phone, I see some now I say so my niece call me and when I look me answer the phone and I see the phone dead. At the end of the day, can done. The girls them just don't have to talk to them one another and the things them but somebody's going to dead. Somebody got dead because the girls them not gonna stop to them, prove them point and not go on a business about police. Because at the end of the day, everybody a human being and everybody have feelings. And I'm blood run through everybody. But you have some people, no matter what, them just want, me don't know my love, me don't know God Almighty. God Almighty. All the girl in my video, and the girl in my video, and the girl in my video, literally, I pay blood. It's a girl, I pay blood for the outer Brooklyn that I saw. Outer Newport, where the blood clot place name, I pay blood. At the mercy of God, my love, I said the mercy of God. I'm just say, Jesus Christ, God is so good. Back to the girl in for done, because the girl got dead. A girl is going to dead for sure. A girl is going to dead. Because every girl want to prove them point and no girl not take no talk and a girl not take no talk from nobody. At the end of the day, true. I don't care when nobody wants about me in the world, my love. I've been through the blood clot storm, the blood clots. I've been through the storm, I've been through it all in the blood clot. I can't bother for true. I can't bother for go all over this, all over them books, suck me again. I can't bother for true. Cause nobody not take my 3 pints. Yeah, nobody not take my 3 pints. I'm gonna Rockers Island prayer one and go back to the shelter. Nope. Nope. I can't still show the outfit car right now. My stressor. Sing, girl, nobody know about them. My stand up song and Sean come to me. That Shensea that walk come to me. I must say Shensea walk down and Shensea walk down. I must say the demons in a Shensea. Everybody want to prove them point. Shensea not afraid. Shensea is going to prove her point. I want she say a whole heap of them. I know Emily up there, so I know I'm gonna see Emily come down. But if you talk some stuff, people is going to say a bias. Me nah this, me nah that, and the things I'm gonna look up here, blood must because at the end of the day, nobody not afraid. Yeah, cause when I look, Mr. Shensea boyfriend the way around the saw, and Shensea the behind her boyfriend, and Shensea and her boyfriend alone my blood class and Shensea that the right there saw, and Shensea and her boyfriend alone me saying how much of the girl And Emily they wait beside Emily up beside Emily attack. I know Emily no come down and say behind a Shensea. I'm stand up so. And me I look at me and say Jesus Christ. Only if Shensea just for done and everybody just for done and me I cry for peace. You hear me I cry for peace because a girl is going to dead. A girl I got dead and if me a Shensea a friend and I can't do this behind closed door and a blood clot. Me a Shensea a friend and if me don't tell her if I done, me no mean her no good shit. I forgot vex with me and the things that I love. You're not afraid of a girl, but when I look since I'm not too long girl, I'm a look girl. I pay blood, me see girl and the blood no dry. I pay blood clot blood. I swear to God. I pay blood, my blood class. I'm see Shensea come down, I'm see her man. I'm see her Shensea and her man alone, my blood class. I'm stand up so. If me not tell her if I done, me no mean her and a blood clot good. But at the end of the day, I and them can done and Mystery Lady them can done too. At the end of the day, and the girl not afraid of a girl, every girl a bad girl, but at the end of the day, man, the girl them done. Cause the whole away about him and the whole away I come from. So the girl not afraid of a girl. The girl not afraid of no girl, but it's a way we are going to prove for a girl cut up a girl and a girl cut up a girl. And police lock way up on the things them. At the end of the day, it don't make no sense. May I tell you, say, I swear upon my life as me the writers, I pay blood, me say. I'm stand up. When I look, I'm going to see Shensea and I want jean skirt. When I see Shensea and I want jean skirt, I want blouse, I'm frightened. When I beat me, I say, Jesus Christ, now I pay blood, come here, I say, I say, Shensea and I ease and when I look, I say, Emily, way up, I say, I know Emily not come down near where Shensea, I say, one blood clot. All the thing, the girls, them for just done the blood clot. I'm here for the pants, say, Sean, wall your mother, and Sean say, she not here. The girls, them for done because the girl got dead. Me and Shensea a friend. I'm a love Shensea to my heart and she's Africa vex with my bestie. My after said done friend. Friend, you Afro done girl, you Afro done girl, it not worth it. It not worth it girl, it don't worth it for true. It don't worth it friendly. It don't blood clot worth it girl. It not worth it girl. It don't worth it. It don't worth it. It don't worth it for true, it don't worth it, it don't blood clot worth it, it don't worth it, and then you got here said this and that and as some blood clot stand up on me and watch. Cause me I talk to Shensea that because she did I talk to him about the weed, but I know me not listen to her about weed. Cause I say Pinky them and Wiggy them a draw I shine a gone down the sun. But Shensea walk come down same way because our man gone over the sun. Shensea walk gone our man. And Emily the wait, but say I know me say Emily come down in the crowd. If I tell her so I say Emily have an lie me and tell. Or me I look on it, me and say them suck me in the work now because a girl I got dead. A girl I got dead, a girl I got prison, a girl I got mourning and 9 night and funeral I got keep it. Don't make no blood clot sense. It don't make no sense for true. It don't make no blood clot sense. A big girl with one blood.